So what's up guys, I'm Mash from TechMesh, and today I will show you how you can fix your desktop icon missing problem in your Windows 10. So there could be three kinds of problem though. So the first kind of problem is that your desktop all icons are missing, just like this one in the screen right now. And so the second types of problem is like this one in the screen, that there will be tiles on your desktop and you can't find your usual desktop icons. So this could be another problem. And the last problem could be that you somehow deleted your desktop icon, or you want to restore your desktop icon or recycle bin or this kind of icon. So how you can do it? So I will also provide the timestamp on the video screen right now, so you can easily navigate through your problem. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so the first problem, as I have showed you, is that there will be a blank desktop like this one. As you can see, there is no desktop icon or any kinds of icon in my desktop. So how you can fix this? So the fix for this is really simple. All you have to do is you have to just right click on your screen, and then you have to go to view, and here you have to select show desktop icons. Just let me show you. And as you can see, your desktop icon will reappear. So it could have been done by your mistouches, or you have done it mistakenly, you didn't even notice that you have did it, or any kinds of app somehow did it. So you can fix this problem just by right click and then go to view and then select show desktop icons. So let's go to the next problem. So the next problem is this Stylus mode. As you can see, there will be lots of tiles on your Windows desktop. So in this case, what you have to do is, this is really simple. All you have to do is you have to just go to bottom of your screen, as you can see, just here, and then you have to click here, and then you have to click on tablet mode. As you can see, just click on tablet mode and your problem should be fixed. There was the problem that your PC was in tablet mode, and if in tablet mode your PC will show this kind of tiles. So this is the second problem. Okay, so the third problem is that, like, as you can see, there is this PC or my computer, whatever you wanna say. So I have mistakenly deleted it. So now how can I get it back? Okay, so what you have to do is you have to just right click on your empty space in your desktop, and then you have to select personalize. So in personalize, then you have to select themes. Okay, so in themes you have to select desktop icons settings, and here, as you can see, there are desktop icons: computer, users, file, network, recycle bin, control panel. So I want to get computer or this PC icon. So I have selected it and then hit apply and then click OK. Okay, now let's see. As you can see, I have restored my this PC icon. So you can do this for other 5 icons, as you can see I have showed earlier. So this was the video of how you can restore your desktop's missing icons. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you have any suggestion, then just let me know that in the comment section below. So that's it guys, I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.